Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In today's session, we will learn all about the creation of labels, tables, and alignment reports. So first, we will close the by default drawing number 1 and then bring this file to the software by simply drag and drop method. Now, this file can be accessed all along with this video tutorial. If you open it, you will see the surface name is not correct, so we can simply go to the surface properties and give it the appropriate name, that is natural terrain. Same goes in the description, natural terrain, everything else would be set as default, and then we can close it. Now the next thing is about the alignment. The alignment name is alignment 1. We can simply change the name under information tab as axis 1. And the same can be used for description, which is axis 1. The object style here is design style and the type is centerline, so we will keep it as it is. If we go to add label, we get different options like add labels, edit station labels, then we have fixed points, station offset, single, multiple point of intersection and multiple point of intersections. So here we get this type of dialog box if we want to add some labels. Now you can see the file A to B and then to C, everything was there, and if we remove all, there are no labels. So if we choose major station and here we choose standard and then hit the add button and apply. Now you can see these major stations can be seen. Let's remove it. Here we can choose the perpendicular with tick. Let's apply. We have to add, apply, and then you can see they are perpendicular with tick. Again we can remove them. Now we can use perpendicular with line, and now they are perpendicular with line. We can use parallel with tick, and here you can see these are parallel with the tick. Now we'll choose perpendicular with line, and we will do some variations like we add the minus stations as well. We hit the add button and apply. Now you can see them as well. Now we have removed them all, and we can choose for the minus stations as tick as well. But it will give some errors, so we will go with the standard one. So it is asking to select a major station label group first, otherwise we cannot go with the minors. So we will add some major station and then minor station. First we will see with the tick. Here we go. You can zoom in and see it as well. Now we can go to edit table. We can add some geometry points. We can go with standard or perpendicular. It's all up to you how you like your alignment to look. Here we have all these options for the labels. We can check or uncheck as per our requirement. And we can simply hit OK, then apply, and now you can see the geometry points have appeared. So from point A to F, everywhere you can see the majors, minors, and the geometry points. Now if you go to edit labels again, here we have more options like that design speed. We can go with the standard or we can go station over speed and hit apply and then OK. Now you can see we have design speed and then station. So both of these labels would appear together. Again we select the alignment. Now here you can see the values already showing, which was for the speed design. Here we have few options like we can edit label like this. Instead of design speed, we can write speed only or we can write anything else. So make sure when you select the label, any other thing is not selected because in that case you will not find these edit label options. So here instead of STA we can write station. It is totally up to you. I'm just telling you for learning purpose that we have this liberty with the labels. We can add them, edit them, remove them as per our requirement. Again going to add labels. This time we can choose this other types. Station offset, fixed point. Let's add. You can see this red marker shows where we want to add it. We can move at any point and simply press the left mouse button to add it at that specific place. We can select and delete it as well. Then we have the station offset. Let's add again anywhere on the alignment and simply press the left mouse button like this. Then we have the single segment. Here we have the line label style, the curve label style, and spiral label style. So we can change them as well. So in line label style, I'm choosing bearing over distance or the alignment name. So it will just show the alignment name. And in curve label, I can choose delta cover length. So it will show delta, length, and radius. Then we can use the design delta as well. Then we have the multiple segments. So we can play with these as well. It will just show the name and if we add it and then click here, you can see the entire alignment has been provided with these multiple segments. So in this way you can play with these features. You can add, remove, and then see what would be the effect if you try different things. Then we have the option for the add tables. We can add table. Here we have table styles, so we can use this radius, length, direction, and a value. We have to select the alignment as axis 1. Then we can split the table or we can keep it like this. Just left click anywhere to place it. Here you can see the name is axis 1 and then there is different information. We can go to table properties and here we can select the other types as well like this. Or we can go with the standard one and hit OK. We can also split the tables. For instance, we want some minimums per row or per stack. So if we choose 5, we get these 5 rows, different tables. We can change it as well. We can add or we can remove rows as well, like this. Another thing is, in the toolbox we have the option for the reports manager. And the reports manager, alignment, station and curve, we have this option. So here different things are checked. We can uncheck all of them like this, and then we can simply choose this axis 1, or we can pick point and then select axis 1 only. After pressing enter, you will see on the axis 1 is highlighted or checked. We can press OK, then it will ask for a specific file name and file type. So we can keep the file name as lecture 19 or 17 or 18, whatever suits you well. The file was .doc, which is Microsoft Word file. There are different options, so you can choose any other format as well. So here we have this complete report. It will give you all the values for the description of the points, the easting, the northing, the elevations. So everything can be seen in this report. Regarding axis 1 alignment. Now let's save as 19 label tables and alignment reports bracket complete. Now we have both of these files saved on our desktop. You can find all these 3 files all along with this video tutorial so that you can practice yourself as well and you can see the final results and match them with my files. Let's call it the day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.